I gave you my heart.
Hi guys, so this is quick and simple recipe, okay? So it's just green chili recipe or green chili sauce or green chili. Yeah, so at times you want some shit off for your food, kinky yam or whatever, but then it's been a hassle to make it, so it's just quick one for you. That's green pepper, and this is my seasoning or my spices. So this is the whole thing, and you can use just Maggi cube, any kind. And this is shrimp powder. So this is garlic and ginger peeled, and that is my green pepper. And so this is my scallion or spring onion. And that's onions. Okay, so just quick one, and this is salt. Quick and easy. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so our green chili sauce or green chili pepper is ready. Okay, so when you take it off from the fire, you want to leave it for it to cool down before you store it. Okay, alright, so you can just put it in some bowl and keep it in your fridge. Okay, just fridge or your freezer, or you can even keep it on the counter. If you want to keep it on the counter, you just want to make sure that there is oil on top of it. Okay, alright, and this can be eaten with anything. Yeah, rice, yam, potatoes, fried plantain, Charlie, kalewele, banku and tilapia, and this on the side, Charlie. Beka or katrema. You see, so this is, Charlie. You know that? Yep. So you are good to go. Okay, guys. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos from CONNIEMARTS TV. I will see you next time. Bye.